Alright, hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. Today, I've got one. Check that out. So, this one, actually, you'd probably normally see it in Taiwan, but this one was found in the Philippines by a reader. Thank you for sending along. There's this one, and then there's a spicy beef one. And they both have retort pouches, which is pretty cool. But, anyway. Yeah, so this show is basically me imparting my knowledge about instant noodles after reviewing 3,000 of them and garnishing pretty much all of them. So it comes with a bowl. So what we're going to do is basically throw everything in the bowl and cover it and let it steep for 3 minutes as required by law. So what's interesting about this one is generally what you would do is you would drop the noodle block in, take the seasoning and put that in, and then add the water, cover it for 3 minutes, then add the other things in. This one says to add everything in all at once, which I thought was kind of interesting. I don't know if that was... It kind of almost could be just like due to lack of label space on the package. Should be a heck of a reason, but... You know, hey, whatever. Whatever's clever. So, there's the... Come on, paste. I tell you, I'm having a day, folks. I don't know. I just don't know. But, there. Paste. And then I'm just going to add the water right now. I'm guessing that's about right. It is up to the line. And then we're also going to add in the retort pouch contents, which I have right here. So, a little bit of liquid in. There we go. 3 minutes, huh? Yeah. I'll keep an eye on that, maybe turn it off around when there's 15 seconds left. I think that's fair enough. Let's get you off of there. Alright. It already feels like it's almost completely... Yeah, let's look at this. It's funny how quickly, when you add boiling water to noodles, how they just get going. So... Anyways, I will put the package thing on top. So let's see what's going on today. Woke up this morning, came out, and my computer, when I started pushing buttons, it was off actually, and then I turned it on. I usually leave my equipment on 24/7, so I've been doing it for years. That's just my thing. And it said that it had shut down because to prevent the overheating. It's like, what? No. So, yeah, if that happens again, it's going bye-bye, you know. That's a pain. That's a real serious pain in the butt. But we'll see. Hopefully it'll be happy. Hopefully. It's hard enough for me picking out what kind of computer to get because I have things that I want to get for the for the computer to have, but it's just hard to, like, you know, go that one. I mean, it took me I think it took about a week and a half of looking at machines to finally settle on this one. So yeah. In other news, there's 53 seconds left. Braised beef is good. My son's at school. My daughter's napping. Life is good. Life is good. Legos are all cleaned up. Man, the other day I stepped on one. It just got me in the arch of the foot. Okay, I think that's good. There's 18 seconds left. So let's see what we have here. Kind of formality with the lid. But okay. It's supposed to be like, you know, a really high-end kind of fancy variety because it does have beef in it. There's some beef right there. Hello, beef. Braised Australian beef. It's too bad too because Taiwanese beef is actually really quite good. Beef. I'm going to say right now, this is not as good as the Taiwanese version, which I have had fairly recently, too. The noodles aren't really hungry for the broth, and that's something I think that's a term I made up. I like it when the broth, I mean, and usually... Let me transfer this. Usually, the flavoring goes in second. So it's like for the broth to have the flavoring and stuff while it's steeping, it should have a lot more flavor, I would think. But unfortunately, no. Not in this situation. So, yeah. I would definitely opt for the made, well, these are made in Taiwan, but they're just export versions, so. But if it was up to me, I would just have the Taiwanese. The ones for the Taiwanese market, I should say. Yeah. And that is what I do say. So I've said it, and I'm sticking to it. Let's have some spring onion. And I know pretty much nobody in Taiwan would do this, but I don't care because I really like mung bean sprouts. I don't think mung bean sprouts are all that popular in Taiwan, but that's kind of, I think that's about what we get here. A little bit of sprout action, and then beefy. So, alright, well, if you liked this one, please click like and subscribe as well. There's always more to come, and here's some stuff that's already happened. So, yeah, I hope you're having a great day, and this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles absolutely every single day. Have a good one. Bye.